Right, I've just pulled over to let the cars past, and I'm about 25 minutes away from the yard. Yeah, I reckon this is my last load today. I'm going to be back at the yard now loading lorries. Got 3 coming in this evening, and I'll have to feed the bullocks. So yeah, fun's over for me now. Just past Trev with a trailer. Cuba should be somewhere along here. So alright, we're on digging spuds. It's Wednesday afternoon. Been on digging since 10 o'clock this morning. I had a late start because we were packing jackets and washing bags, and the harvester driver had to go get a new PTO for his tractor. Snapped it off yesterday, so yeah. this field, nice little load to finish it. Probably gonna move down to the 2 fields below, but I don't think I'm doing any more because the straw shed's full. So tomorrow I'll start putting the straw somewhere else. Strap her down and then we'll be off. Oh, I think we got 42 bales from this field, so it's not too bad. I think this is my 6th load today, so yeah. It's not too far down the road to the cow farm, but a bit bumpy. And right, let's get on, get this load back, unload it. This load will just fit in the straw shed, and then the rest of the straw is being stored in a shed that's like behind the cow yard, and the cows, I've literally fed the cows just now, so they'll still be there feeding. So I'm gonna probably move field, might load up another trailer, leave it parked up overnight, and then when I'm on straw tomorrow, I'll lock the cows out and put it in the other shed. And then any straw after that is probably going to our other cow farm. It's about like 15 minutes away. So a nice little trip over there. Cheers, love. Off we go. Just moved field. I unloaded that last load. That's literally probably room for like 2 more 6 high stacks in the shed. And then yeah, I have to move into the new shed. So move the trailer down here, then got a lift to back up to the field to get the JCB. So that's down in the new field now, ready for tomorrow. So yeah, 2 fields there, probably about 4 or 5 trailers left to pick up, and then the combine's also going again tomorrow. My brother's on doing trailers for that, so that'll be fun. So yeah, that means that straw will probably be baled up for probably Monday or something, and whenever we're not on spuds in the week, we'll be picking up bales. And it'll be easier when there's more of us on it, because someone could drive the telehandler and then have someone on the road. Fucking hell.